On this video today, I'm going to show you a free tool that you can use to make money with CPA offers. This tool is free. You can use it wherever you are in the world, and the best part is that you can start using this tool to make money even if you're a complete beginner without any knowledge or skills. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, and if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to select an offer on CPA Group. So what you have to do is that you have to create your accounts. Once you create your accounts, you have to come right here, click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to click on my offers. Once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, search for United States. Just search for US. Once you search for that, you can see this is United States. Just click on it. You can see right now it is loading. Once you search for the United States, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people in the United States so that they can enter their details for you to make money. Each of these offers has a specific requirements that your potential visitor must enter before you can earn the money. You can see this offer right here. Enter for $100 Walmart gift card. If your potential visitors enter their email and zip code, they are going to win $100 Walmart gift card, and you are going to be earning $1.37. You can see there's another one right here, $2.06. You can see 60 cents, 84 cents, and many others. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers. So now what you have to do is that you have to select one of these offers so that you can promote it to people in the United States for them to enter their details so that you can be earning money on this particular website. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to be promoting the PayPal gift card. So you just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see it right here. Grab a 750 PayPal gift card now. This particular offer is allowed on all mobile devices, you can see. So you are going to be getting a lot of different people who can qualify to earn the $750 PayPal gift card. So once they enter their details to win the prize, we are going to be earning $2.05, as you can see it right here. To promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to just click on the name of the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on the name of the offer, you can see this is the title of the offer. You can see right here, this is your payout. You can see the requirement. Enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. So once they enter their mobile numbers, you are going to be earning money. You can see the warning right here. The offer is only allowed on mobile devices and it's only allowed in the United States. So what you have to do is that you have to find people in the United States so that they can enter the details for you to make money. This is your affiliate link, so you have to promote this particular link. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to find a traffic source whereby we can get people from the United States to enter the requirements for us to make money. The next step is that you are going to come on Google and search for email extractor. Once you search for that, you are going to see a whole lot of them. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to select this one right here. Just click on it so that you can download it onto your PC. Once you download it onto your PC and then install it, you can see it right here. Just click on it so that you can open it. Once you click on it, you can see please wait. It can take up to 1 to 2 minutes, so you are going to wait for it. Once you open the software, you are going to see a page like this. So they are asking you to pay. Just ignore all of this and then click right here so that you can close the dialog. Once that is done, we are going to see a page like this. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to extract emails of people in the United States so that we can get them to complete the offers for us to make money. So just select this option right here. Click on search by keywords via search engine. So just click on it. Once you select that option, you are going to enter a keyword so that the tool can use that keyword to generate emails for you. You can see right here, earn money. You can also type something like make money, or you can see PayPal gift card. So whatever keyword that you want to use, you can type it in this particular box. What we are going to do in this video is that we are going to search for PayPal gift card. So just type PayPal gift card. So as you can see, that has been done. So once you type your keyword right here, you are going to select the region. Here you are going to select the country where the offer is allowed. As you can see on CPA Group, this offer is only allowed in the United States. You can see it right here. So what you have to do is that you have to select the United States here. So just click on it and then select the United States. So what you have to do is that you have to just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can find the United States right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see global. Don't select that. Come right here, select country. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, start search, so that you can begin extracting emails of people who have interest in PayPal gift cards. Once you click on it, you can see please wait 2 to 5 minutes to start getting results. The search has begun, so just click on OK and then wait. Once you click on OK, within some minutes it's going to start extracting emails for you. So we are going to wait for some time. As you can see, in the matter of some few minutes, it has generated a lot of emails, as you can see them right here. So let me just scroll down for you to see. You can see a whole lot of different emails that it has generated. You can see many of them. You can see the country right here, United States. You can see United States. You can see United States. You can see this one is Netherlands. So this tool is not perfect. So what you have to do is that you have to select the emails yourself. As you can see a whole lot of different emails. You can see a whole lot of them. So it is going to continue generating. So as you can see, it has got to 69. So if you don't stop it, it is going to keep on generating different emails for you. So if you want to stop, you are going to click right here, pause, so that you can stop the tool from extracting many emails. If you want, you can leave it so that it can extract as many emails that you want. Once that is done, you can click right here, stop, and then search for another keyword. For example, you can search for how to make money, and you are still going to extract emails like this. Whatever keyword that you type in, this particular tool is going to use it to generate emails for you. You can see them right here. Once you generate the emails, you are going to copy and paste them on a Word document like this. As you can see, these are some of the emails that have generated. You can see a whole lot of them. So what you have to do is that you have to copy and paste them on a notepad or on a Word document. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to send an email to all these emails so that you can get them to complete the offer for you to make money. Once you have the emails, the next step is that you are going to create a Gmail account. Once you create your Gmail account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, compose, so that you can send a message to those people. Once you click on compose, you are going to paste the emails right here as recipients. So just go back and then copy and paste it right here. Once you come back on your Word document or on your notepad, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy some of the emails. You can copy up to 100 emails and then send it. Later on, you send up to another 100 emails. So what you have to do is that you have to just highlight and then copy these emails. So just highlight and then copy them. Once you highlight the emails, you are going to copy them right here. Once that is done, you are going to come back and then paste the email addresses right here. Just paste it. As you can see, that has been done. So now what you have to do is that you have to come right here, select BCC. Just select that option. Once that is done, you are going to paste the subject of your email right here. So you are going to copy and paste an email like this. You can see, grab a 750 PayPal gift card now. So you are going to write a simple email like this and then send to them. So we are going to copy the subject of the emails. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to highlight and then copy the body of the email. So just highlight and then copy all of this. As you can see, that has been done. Once you copy it, you are going to come right here and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see there's a call to action right here. Click this link to get access. So what you have to do is that you have to highlight this particular call to action and then insert your affiliate link. So you have to come back on CPA group. Once you're on CPA group, you are going to select a tracking domain. So just click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll and then select any of these domains. As you can see, that has been done. Click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once that is done, you're going to come back and then highlight the whole of this text. Once you highlight it, you're going to click right here, insert link. Once you click on that, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can click right here to test if your link will work. So I've already tried it. It is working. So you can just go ahead and then click right here, OK. That has been done. We have our affiliate link right here. So the next step is that you are going to send it to these people so that they can take the action for you to make money. So just click right here, send, so that the email will be sent to those people. As you can see, it is sending. You can see message sent. So it has been sent to the people. Once you have sent that, you are going to go back and then send another group of emails so that you can get many people to take the action for you to make money. So make sure you keep on sending a lot of emails so that you can get many people to take action for you to make money.